Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm actually moving out to enjoy the Navratri season and to go ahead for pandal hoppings as well. So this video is actually going to be divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So stay tuned and do follow my channel, like, share and subscribe my channel, and wait for the outings today. You all must have understood now where am I. I am at Quest and I will be actually going to Chili's and as well as Lifestyle today. So come along with me and have fun. Table for two?
Waiting is going on, ma'am. It will take time. Minimum half an hour waiting is there.
There was a wait time of half an hour, that is 30 minutes. So we thought of going through the collection which is there at Lifestyle, and I had to purchase like a few things. So we went to Lifestyle first and then we moved into Chili's. I am here at Chili's and I purchased a bag also from Lifestyle. I'll go back home and I'll show it to you. Right now I'm at Chili's and I'm waiting for my table. So have a look at the Chili's restaurant. This is like the bar area. People who want to drink can actually sit here and drink. And now what you'll see is the eating area. So yeah, and we were waiting for our table. I ordered for these veg mushrooms quesadillas with some Mexican rice and hung curd cream, and this was the margarita pizza. It was really yum. Y'all should try these two dishes when you go to Chili's. While passing by, we actually came across this temple, and look at the murti here. It is so pretty. This is the mandir. My mom offered her prayers to Goddess Durga, and look how beautiful my mother is looking. Look at the crowd. These lightings and the light setups are all here at Ek Dalia Park, which is there in Garyahat. My mom and I, we went to Ek Dalia Park to see all the pandals and the light up. The light up is beautiful, and the pandal inside is also very pretty. Now the pandal inside is so crowded, and you can see the crowd. No one was allowed to enter because of COVID restrictions. Police did not allow anyone to enter the pandal, so I had to shoot everything outside. Isn't it beautiful? The pandal inside is so overcrowded. You all should come here once and visit this pandal. This is Ek Dalia Park, and it is very pretty. And here we took a lot of selfies and photographs. Few of them are here. My mom was looking really very pretty. She dressed up accordingly, according to the function and according to the occasion. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll end the vlog here with these beautiful pictures. Thank you for watching.